Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide bookmarks button in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. In case you want to remove this one bookmark button or you have by mistake removed this one bookmark button and want to show this one again in the Brave toolbar, then open the Brave browser and click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Then choose appearance in the left sidebar. On the right under toolbar section you will find show bookmarks button option. You can toggle on or off to enable or disable this one feature in Brave browser on your Windows PC.